need 1 pack of FUDGEE BARR in chocolate, 1 all-purpose cream, 1 can of condensed milk. The first step is for you to slice the FUDGEE BARR into half. It's up to you if you are going to finish the whole pack. It depends on your serving size. If you want many people to eat it, then you should finish the whole pack. The next step is for you to pour 1 can of condensed milk into a bowl. And after which, you also pour the all-purpose cream. Once you finish pouring everything, you mix it very well, making sure that everything is well blended. Once everything is blended, then it's time for you to layer your FUDGEE BARR cake. You have to pour first on the container the mixed sauce. Make sure that the whole bottom of your container is covered of it. After which, you're now going to put your first layer of FUDGEE BARRs. It's up to you on how you're going to arrange it as long as it's well arranged. And this is actually just the same as making a mango float or mango graham because you're just going to put some layers. However, this time you're just going to use FUDGEE BARR. Repeat the process until you reach your desired number of layers. I suggest for you not to put too much of the sauce because it will make your dessert very sweet since FUDGEE BARR is already sweet. The last step for you to do is to put the crumbled FUDGEE BARRs on the very top. Again, I'm reminding you, please do not put too much of the sauce, just like what I did. When we tasted it, it was very sweet, but it was still delicious. Refrigerate it first overnight or for how many hours before serving.